when I've been campaigning, the cabinet met and said, now, instead of the cows, let's give money. I said, okay.
Ente ye okosho.
So then, the money is now available. All homesteads must have wealth. We advise people with smaller pieces of land to use the 4 acres model. 1 acre
Chel.
put in coffee. The second acre put in fruits. The third acre put in pasture for cows. The fourth acre produce cham, me pacho, produce for the food for the family. Backyard put piggery and poultry for eggs. And in the near the wetlands,
Acheki the wikulu
do fish farming. NRM believes in unity of the people of Uganda.
Party mena rem bedo kede bedo neno menote ejo.
To create prosperity for themselves. That's how we were able to bring unity, and unity has enabled us to form a national party which unites all Ugandans, and then form strong national institutions like the army, the police, the intelligence services, the judiciary, the civil service. These are the ones which have guaranteed peace. So the two are linked really. Good politics creates good national institutions.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.